Today I'm going to show how to get the new sound editor for WWE 2K23. Um, this is a tutorial on how to import theme songs and custom music. I will also have another tutorial for making custom superstar announcements, and that tutorial will be in the link in the description, so you can watch it later after this tutorial if you want. So the first thing we have to do to import custom theme songs is we need the new sound editor by the visitor X. So you click the link in the description, it'll take you to a Smack Talks website. So you open it, you can read what's different from the sound editor for 2K22. So the Visitor X has added a bunch of new features and has just made the program a lot better than before. You can go ahead and read this if you want, but if you don't, you can reveal hidden contents for the installer and then click the Google Drive link. Here, you just click download, and when it's done, it will show up in your downloads folder in Explorer. And you just double click the exe file and then you click yes. So we just click next, and then you can read this if you want, but I'll click accept, next. You can keep it in the original folder if you want. C is fine, but I'm gonna change it to my D drive, but C also works. So, and then we click next, next, next. And then you click finish, and when it's finished it should open up sound editor. So you click settings. I'm gonna use the dark theme because I like it better, and you can keep this checked, and then you click save, and now you click on file and open. Go to your WWE 2K23 directory and then click on sound, and then scroll down and you'll see these music pack files. You can try and have a look and see if the specific song is in the pack file you clicked on, but if it's not, you can just try and look through all of them, but it shouldn't take long. So I'm just gonna open the music 1 pack, and then you'll see all the sounds here. So you can, if you want, click on name twice, and then it'll sort everything by name. So I was actually going to import a Kane theme song, but it's not, clearly it's not in the music 1 pack. So I'm just gonna try the music 2 pack. There, as you can see, it says Kane. So obviously you have to get the music ready, and that you can do by converting sounds to MP3 or .wav. You can use any sound converter or YouTube converter. I'm not able to show how to do that, but you can do some research and quickly find out how to do it, but it shouldn't be that difficult. But when you have your MP3 file or WAV file or OGG file ready, you can click on Tools and Sound Converter. And the export directory you can keep here. You can also change it if you want. I'm just gonna save it to music and click OK. And here we can see the file I want to convert, because we want to convert it to a WEM file. I have already done that, but to do this we just have to drag and drop it. As you can see, it's a OGG file, but it doesn't really matter. You can also use WAV files or MP3 files. So what we do is just drag and drop it, and you can do multiple sounds if you want. And we just click process, And when it's done, it will show up in the folder that you chose here. And when you have done that, you can X out and go back to Sound Editor, right click on the theme song that you want to import, click Import, go to the folder, find the sound file that you converted, the WEM file, and click Open. And now it will show up as a replaced sound. You can right click and then click Play if you want to test it out. If you want to replace one of the generic theme songs, like the ones nobody use, you can go to Music 8-pack and you'll see all of the default theme songs. If I want, for example, a Roman Reigns old theme song, I can go to Underground, for example, right click and import, and then I can just import that theme song. So I actually also want to replace the Kane 2008 theme song. So I'm gonna replace it with a theme song that I have edited where there's fire at the start. So we can just import it. And when it's done, you can click File and Exit. And then open up 2K. So now I'm gonna open up Kane's entrance. And that is how you import custom theme songs for WWE 2K23. All the credit goes to the visitor X, so make sure to check out his Smack Talks profile, and yeah, thanks for watching.